Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see a problem based on numerical integration by using the specific rules. A problem is use Simpson 3/8 rule to evaluate integration 1 to 4 e raised to 1 upon x into dx. So solution. You can observe in this question as, so they have not given the number of steps or number of any ordinate they have not given. So we know that. So here Simpson 3/8 rule, generally it is multiple of 3. So you can take n is equal to 3, you can suppose, or n is equal to 6 or n is equal to 9. So easiest way is what here, because a number of data will be less. So I will take n is equal to 3 here. So first I will consider I is equal to integration 1 to 4 e raised to 1 upon x into dx. So here I can take it as a value is 1, b value is 4, and let n value I will suppose as 3. Because why I am taking 3 here? Because it is 3/8 rule. 3/8 rule is multiple of 3. Either you can take n is equal to 3 or n is equal to 6 or n is equal to 9. So better is what here I am taking n is equal to 3 if they are not mentioned in the question. If if they ask, you have to take particularly for if Simpson 1 third rule. So at that time you can take n is equal to minimum 2, 4 or 6, anything. And similarly for Wedley's you have to take minimum n is equal to 6. For n is equal, for Simpson 3/8, n is minimum is what here? N is equal to 3, or I can say multiple of 3. 3/8 rule is multiple of 3 here, so n is equal to 3 I have taken. Now, so with the help of this, I will find the value of h. H is b minus a divided by n. B is 4 minus 1 divided by 3. That is 3 upon 3, which is nothing but 1. And so value of y. So y is e raised to 1 upon x. So this is the value of y. So using this y, a, b and h, we can go for the table now. So table will construct using the calculator. Now using the calculator will work out. So here x values are x and y is equal to e raised to 1 upon x. So we'll type, so mode option 7, so f of x, so e raised to 1 by x, will type here y value. So you use a shift lan, you use e raised to power, it will come. So in that power again use fraction and 1 divided by alpha x. So typing is very important, and go for equal to. So if you press equal to, starting point they will ask. So starting point, that is a value, that is 1, and end point b value, it is 4, and step size is 1. And you can see here, so values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4. So write down. So values of a, it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 is nothing but the value of b also. And with respect to this a, b, 1 to 4, we need to check the values here. So you can see here, so for x is equal to 1, it is 2.71828. So I will write it as it is 2.7183. I will round up the fourth place. Next value 1.6487, 1.6487. Next third one is 1.3956, 1.3956. And the next last one is 1.2840, 1.2840. So these are the values from the calculator, we got it. Now we'll see how to work out for the formula now. So as per the question, we need to apply by Simpson 3/8 rule. Simpson's 3/8 rule. So it is nothing but I is equal to integration a to b y dx is equal to 3h upon 8 bracket. So which is nothing but, here it is y0. So this is your y0, y1, y2 and y3. First value plus last value. So y0 plus y3 plus. So Simpson 3/8 rule means we need to multiply the second term as 3 into the bracket, plus last one is 2 into multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 in this only it is y3, which one already we have taken. So 2 into here 0 will come. So remaining here, so 3 in, so y1 plus y2. Check y0, y1, y2, y3. So all is coming in this formula or no? y0, y1, y2, y3, all is coming. So this is 2 into 0. Be careful. So therefore it is 1 to 4. Y value is e raised to 1 upon x into dx is equal to 3. H value is 1 divided by 8 bracket y0 value from the table, it is 2.7183 plus y3 value is 1.2840 plus 3 times y1 value from the table is 1.6487 plus y2 value is 1.3956. 2 into 0 is 0, leave it. So on typing means on calculating this value in the, if you can type these all value in the calculator. So what will get finally, the resultant is 4.9257. so this is the answer of what here, integration 1 to 4 e raised to 1 by x into dx. So this is the required result of the given, that is it is 7 here. So hence the e to the power 1 by x under the integration means limit 1 to 4, numerically it is 4.9257. I'll rewrite here once again. So integration 1 to 4 e raised to 1 by x into dx is 4.9257. So hence the result by using Simpson 3/8 rule.